smoke for him.
Hey, this is Death with House of Jackals. Today's gameplay footage is Outlaw, Grinch, Trash Bag, and I at Operation End War. This is older footage of us playing with other players as a contractor unit to take over the control points over on the DV8 property. Hope you guys enjoy some of this remastered gameplay footage, as we will be releasing more of this through the year in between our regular gameplay footage.
3, right? Alright.
Alright, you guys ready?
Humvee's coming. Humvee's coming through, Rob.
Wait it out, wait it out.
Jackals, provide support! Smoke them out! Smoke them out! Light them up! Light them up! Get up there! Get him up there! Get him up there!
Go, push it! I got trot. There you go, one's it. Move up, Rob. Move. Push, push, push.
Good shot.
Finally, he called it. He called it.
Yep.
Alright, pull it.
Get me up there, boys.
I got the right.
Alright, ready?
Go.
Nice one. Grab my, can I throw me my mag?
Hit, dumbass. Come here. Hold that, Mike. Come here.
Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa. How many are still in there? You know how many are left? Inside hill? None?
Yeah, no, they're all on the inside of it. Are they all dead? Throw the grenade, now.
Christian. Christian. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Here, me and my teammates are explaining how we're going to take on the left flank. We're going to make sure that we take it to them hard, because the big issue we've been having is that they've been coming from the city over at DV8 and moving into the woods that way. What we're going to do is take far left side up into the city, around all their defenses to take them all out.
Enemies are holding right here. Get what I'm talking about? Copy. Right over at that front entrance, over that comment box? Yeah. Alright. We're right here. What we need to do is we need to go right here around the other side of this Connex box, because we only have 2 guys right here instead of having multiple forces right here covering that entrance. Everybody's trying to get into this entrance through the open field. Alright?
I was in a Humvee gunning from behind the city.
Okay.
They are actually very thinly dispersed throughout the city. They are mostly on the line. So if we can get around and get in, there is almost no resistance on the inside.
Let's try going through originally where we were planning, going through all the way over here, because right now everything's all over here. Alright? Let's go for that wide flank over by the house then. And we'll take it real wide. Understood? Copy. Oop, let's get out of here.
Break.
Push.
Good. Done.
Ready?
Hang on. Ready.
You going to that red corner?
Yeah, let's make it up to where those guys are, okay? Okay, ready? Let's go.
Guys, right side.
Watch that way.
Push on the right side.
Cthulhu, we're already in the city.
Yep. That was medic. Move up to cover. Move up to cover. Dead.
Those blue guys over there? Yeah, they are.
Yeah. Yep. They're just holding the outside of the city, man. Yeah, he's dead. He's been dead for a while, man. He says he's sorry. He says he's very sorry. He said it's all right.
You deserve it.
You deserve it. Shut up. Reloading. I lost a bag.
Push it up, push it up.
Got him.
Good shot, guys. On the other side, hey, directly in front of you, there's a guy sitting on the ground. I think he's still up. I don't know.
Where?
No, he's dead. Okay.
Got him.
Hey, if you think it'll look cool, do it. Move up.
Move up, move up, move up.
You to Matt. Let's go.
Move to Matt.
Right there. Get the Matt.
We got people pushing from the aft.
You hear that?
Yep.
My boy just said there's 5 back there. Anyone?
Are they dead or alive, Rob? Is that one?
It sure is.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I think your boy was right. When he moves,
Yeah, no shit.
comes around.
Yeah, I'm out.
Well, that's me.
All the enemies are dead. Making sure you're dead, sorry.
Hey all you viewers out there, thank you for watching, and always remember to show us some love by hitting that subscribe button below, as we will be releasing new footage of regular gameplay footage and events that the House of Jackals will be attending. But either way, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
Backside's clear.